Hello students, today we are at the stage of centrifugal pump 9. In this first problem is the a three-stage centrifugal pump has impellers 40 cm in diameter and 2 cm wide at the outlet. The vanes are curved back at the outlet at 45 degree. It means this is the vane angle at outlet and reduce the circumferential area by 10%. The manometric efficiency is 90% and the overall efficiency is 80%. Determine the head generated by the pump when running at 1000 rpm, delivering 50 liters per second. So discharge is given. What should be the shaft horsepower? So what are the givens? Number of stages n is equal to 3. Diameter of impeller at outlet is d2 is equal to 40 cm, that is equal to 0.4 meters. Width at outlet, that is 2 cm, that is equal to 0.02 meter. Vane angle at outlet is phi equals to 45 degree. Reduction in area at outlet is 10% equals to 0.1. Area of flow at outlet equals to 0.9 multiply pi d2 multiply d2, that is equal to 0.02262 meter square. Manometric efficiency is given 90%, that is equal to 0.9. Overall efficiency 80%, 0.8, and speed of the impeller is 1000 rpm. So discharge given is 50 liters per second, that is equal to 0.05 meter cube per second. So what we have to determine? Head generated by the pump and the shaft power. So velocity of flow at outlet, that is equal to discharge upon area of flow. Discharge is given 0.05 and area of flow is 0.02262. So Vf2 comes 2.22 meters per second. Tangential velocity of impeller at outlet, u2 is equal to pi d2n upon 60 equals to pi multiply 0.4 multiply 1000 upon 60, that is equal to 20.94 meters per second. From velocity triangles at outlet, we have the value of tan phi, that is equal to Vf2 upon u2 minus Vw2. From this relation, we can find out the value of velocity of one at outlet, that is equal to u2 minus 2.21, that is equals to 18.73 meters per second. And by using the equation of manometric efficiency, that is equal to GHM upon Bw2 U2. So putting the values of manometric efficiency, gravitational acceleration, Bw2 and U2, we can find out the value of HM, that comes 35.98 meters. Using the relation for total head generated by pump, the number of impellers are n and the head developed by each pump, that is HM. So total head will be generated by the set of the impeller will be equals to 107.94 meters. And power output of the pump, that is equal to weight of water lifted multiply total head upon 1000. Weight of water lifted will be equals to rho GQ and total head is equals to 107.94. So the power output of the pump comes 52.94 kilowatts. But overall efficiency of the pump is equals to power output of the pump and power input to the pump. So power output is the pump is 52.94 kilowatts and power input means shaft power. So shaft power can be calculated by this relation, that comes 52.94 upon overall efficiency, that comes 66.175 kilowatts. Second question is a 4-stage centrifugal pump has 4 identical impellers keyed to the same shaft. The shaft is running at 400 rpm and the total manometric head developed by the multi-stage pump is 40 meters. The discharge through the pump is 0.2 meter cube per second. The vanes of each impeller are having outlet angle as 45 degree. If the width and diameter of each impeller at outlet is 5 cm and 60 cm respectively, find the manometric efficiency. So what are the data given is number of stages 4, speed of the impeller is 400 rpm, total manometric head is 40 meters, manometric head for each stage is 40 upon 4, 10 meters. So discharge that is given 0.2 meter cube per second. Outlet vane angle is also given 45 degree. Width at outlet, that is 5 centimeter, 0.05 meters. Diameter at outlet, that is 60 centimeter, that is equal to 0.6 meter. So tangential velocity of impeller at outlet is pi d21 upon 60, that is 12.56 meters per second. Velocity of flow at outlet, that can be find out by dividing the discharge upon area of flow. So that is equals to 2.122 meters per second. From outlet velocity triangle, we have this relation tan phi equals to Vf2 upon u2 minus Vw2. So from this relation, we can find out the value of velocity of whirl at outlet. And using the equation of manometric efficiency, that is GHM upon Vw2 u2. So here we can find out the value of manometric efficiency, that comes 74.82%.